Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that features some of the craziest road moments captured on bikers' camera. This episode is packed with all sorts of crazy moments, so make sure to stick till the end and enjoy today's episode. Let's start! This crazy driver passed the biker on the inside of his own lane. This was a totally uncalled for move. Never undertake someone on that side, people. Biker was so furious, he just had to talk to the driver just to see what was he thinking back there when he did it. His response was kinda expected, as he failed to make a valid point at all.
Man, are you serious, bro? Are you serious? Are you serious, bro? Huh? Are you kidding me?
At least he did half the job done by indicating, but remember that indicating does not give you the right of way, people. This is what mirrors are exactly for on a vehicle. Please check them before changing lanes. It saves lives. In this situation, this crazy driver didn't even bother looking at the traffic lights. He just followed what the driver in front of him did. He ran a red light, and as a result the biker got almost hit.
Bro.
There was absolutely nothing blocking this driver's view from noticing the biker, and yet he still pulled out in front of him.
Scusa il c***o.
It's never nice to mess with strangers in traffic, but their reactions sometimes can be hilarious.
Porca troia. Oddio, scusami, ma tu è a posto? Sicuro? Scusami,
Definitely not the greatest spot for a pedestrian to cross the road.
Ma che cazzo fai? Porca troia, con sta cazzo di birra, oh. Porca madonna! Porco dio, non hai idea dei riflessi che ci ho avuto.
Rude driver tried to purposely cut right in front of the biker. Too bad for her, he's allergic to that type of behavior.
What are you doing, you dum-dum?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
I think that this is one of the most basic things, but I guess I have to say it. Whenever you want to make a turn, please indicate on time, people.
What the f*** are you doing? The hell was that?
I think that this pedestrian is simply tired of life. Maybe a hug will do the trick. It's one thing when you get stuck in the rain on a bike, but this is no ordinary rain. It's not even your typical English rain. This is heavy metal rain.
Jesus Christ almighty.
going on? Oh my lord.
Biker was just enjoying a nice ride around the area, and all of a sudden, this crazy driver pulled out in front of him without even looking. He was inches away from hitting the biker. But that's not all. Check out what happened when the driver pulled up to the biker up ahead of the road.
No. Jesus Christ. You alright, buddy?
Yeah, I'm alright, mate.
I almost shit myself, but yeah, you're good.
I said, my dad's a bike was going out of panic like fuck. Sorry about that.
No worries, mate. Alright.
This crazy driver moved past the biker a tad too close for my taste, people at least. One driver pulled out onto the road and caused a direct collision with another driver. This is why we constantly tell everyone all the time to look first before pulling out.
What an idiot. Yeah, what an idiot. Yeah.
And you were...
I was right behind you.
right behind you, and I was...
It's
was
recording.
that on?
Yeah.
Biker lost control of his bike at a busy intersection. It looks like he hit some gravel on the road and he skidded. Eventually, he dropped his bike right in front of a moving vehicle.
المزرار المزرار اللي دايره ليا
ليش؟
هاد الحجر الصغيور كما قصتك كما قصت لك الطوموبيل
لا انا شفتك راه
شكرا
انا شويه الموطا حتى
تبارك الله عليك مرحبا.
Bikers were just enjoying a nice ride on an empty road when all of a sudden a group of stray dogs ran right in front of them. This was scary close. This crazy driver pulled right into the biker's lane at a roundabout and almost forced him off the road completely. But the worst part comes when the biker pulls up next to her.
Why?
The van driver casually forced himself in front of the biker as if he didn't even exist on the road. Without a second thought, this van driver ran a red light. Unlike some drivers, this one here demonstrated great reflexes as he pulled back into his own lane as quickly as possible. this driver had a completely open lane, and he could have passed the biker way safer than this.
Alright, now this guy was at the stop sign, and he saw me coming, guys. Sharing foods.
It's really dangerous to change lanes, especially like in this situation, where the driver's view was totally blocked by another vehicle. He could have waited extra couple of more seconds just to make sure it's safe first.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
That's right, buddy. Pull out onto the road just like that. After all, this is your private backyard. There must be no one behind you. Definitely not. Another biker is about to pass on the right side of this biker here. However, moments later he slammed his brakes, and that caught our biker by surprise. Pickup truck driver cut right in front of the biker just like that. The biker was moving at high speed and he had no time to react at all. Hopefully he's doing okay.
They can get through here.
This is what I mean when I say the drivers cut bikers off without even caring about their own safety.
Stop!
His bike chose to seize any function at the worst possible moment.
Fui parar de novo. Meu caralho.
It's really unfortunate to see things like this. It came to a road rage between a group of bikers and a bus driver. I'll just say that this situation could have been handled way easier and without road rage at all. But when people feel the need to prove something, that's where it all starts.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Aê, seu arrombado, para essa porra! Vai, você vai parar essa porra! Pode parar, tá gravado, seu arrombado! Eu vou dar aqui, tá gravado, seu pau no cu!
And with this clip, we conclude yet another episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something as well. After all, the purpose of this channel is to make you think twice the next time you go out in traffic. Use these mistakes to your advantage, and by all means, do hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.